A heat pump thermostat plays a crucial role in maximizing system efficiency and comfort. Here's how: optimize temperature control. Unlike standard thermostats, heat pump thermostats adjust settings to prevent unnecessary auxiliary heat use, saving energy. Smart energy management. Many models learn your heating and cooling habits, reducing energy waste. Proper defrost cycle activation ensures the heat pump switches to defrost mode only when necessary in cold weather. Zoning capabilities. Some thermostats allow multi-zone control for better efficiency and personalized comfort. Upgrading to a smart heat pump thermostat can improve efficiency and lower energy bills. Gutierrez Brothers HVAC can help with installation and setup. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.